guys, today I'm gonna be making a jet airplane, different from the one that Shrey made. And actually, you might want to get a ruler before you start folding. So you can pause the video right now, go get a ruler, and I'm gonna start. Okay, so fold it, match the corners. Yep. Okay, unfold it. Gotta press it really hard.
This is like the same first steps I did in mine.
Yep. And now this is where you might want the ruler. We're gonna take it, I'm just estimating, but you have to take it 2.5 centimeters above the bottom. Okay, it should look like an envelope now. Now I'm just gonna...
This is like just like copying how I did it. I don't see any difference at all.
Okay, well, it will not turn out exactly how
Yeah, I've seen it. I've seen you make it.
I might want to just redo this fold. I want it to be equal. I just want to make my fold equal, so I'm just doing that part again. I guess that's already equal. Oh, that overlapped. Okay, whatever. Have to press here really hard because we'll need it. And now just fold it like that.
Now this step is different.
So what I did, it's like this, I just move it right in. Same with the other side. On your edges, you might have a bit of you might see a bit of this part on the edges, but that's fine. It doesn't make a very big difference. So don't worry if you have a bit of this paper on the edges. Okay, now we're just gonna fold it like this. Like I had it like this, and now I just moved it like this. One thing you really don't want to do is fold it in like this, okay? You have to fold it like this. It makes a really, really big difference. And now we're gonna do some stuff for the tip. It makes like some armor. If you don't do this, the tip will get bent if it hits a wall.
With this armor, if the tip hits the wall, it won't really do anything.
Like, you have to just hold it, put your finger right in. So you should have a bucket. And then you...
Or a cup.
Yeah. Now you just come and take that bucket, push it in.
With 2 fingers.
Yeah, it takes 2 fingers. And then you take this top and you fold it down. Okay, that gave me a bit of a problem. Like that. And then you fold it in like this again. Like you should have that armor over here. So if it hits you, like it will, this part will protect it.
And it'll stay perfectly fine.
Yep. And now we're just gonna make a wing. I like to make sure that I make all of this equal size. So sometimes when it gets here, it gets bigger or smaller, and you don't want that.
Is it done?
Nope. Next wing now.
Oh, it looks done to me.
Okay, I'm just gonna fold this in a bit more. And now we just made a handle at the bottom. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this part up just a bit. There's no perfect size of how much you're gonna fold, just estimate. This is where my estimating skills come in handy. Same thing with the other side. Then you have this. There's one final touch. It helps. You fold the back a bit up.
Curved.
And at the beginning, when you throw it first, it might not do good. Just keep on throwing it, and then it'll do better as you do more. And there's one final thing I want to tell you before it's done. At the bottom right here, when you start using it a lot, it'll start to rip. So right now, I would say to put on some tape. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, otherwise it's done. You can put on this tape after. Bye, guys.